out here, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Road to 1K, keep going up, you know what I'm saying? 4th of July party.
They have fraud.
What's good, YouTube? It's boy Wiper, now back with another video. Yeah, today is July 4th and we vlogging. I think Tori in the cut, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. So look, we out here, you know what I'm saying? July 4th, it's a party, and we getting lit. Whole gang back here. Look at that. Hold on. They leaving me and shit. Gotta pick my shit up. But we're outside. Yo. My nigga in the cut. Where you going? I have to get my friend. What's good, bro? Say what's up to my YouTube.
How you doing?
I'm sorry, man. Appreciate you. We definitely gonna have fun. Them ain't charge them in our building.
Yo, White Free, right here.
On the gang, it's the boy White Free. We about to turn up. You know what I'm saying? My cup lit right now. Cup lit right now. Jaja, everybody charging I please, see me? Like kinda dark. I got me, I say catch a view. We have the inshore for me gal them tonight, yeah? Alright. Inshore. Make sure them inshore. I have to turn on my light. That shit over with. What's good, my boy? So it was good to my vlog, you know what I'm saying? Kind of dark in there a bit, but
what's up, vlog? It's Wealthy Vibes Ty in the place to be. Make sure y'all tune in, tap in. What's your name?
White Free.
This is White Free. We on this channel.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you a question.
Reverse public interview? Hold on.
Do we create our own problems, or do our problems already exist?
It depends on how you look at the situation. So in a situation, you can create your own problems, but in a different situation, it's already existed. Like,
The next question is, the lowest person in hell, the highest person in hell.
I ain't gonna lie, that's a tough question. That's like, that question makes you think. Person in heaven, I don't think it matters, like, as far as, you know, high or low or when you in heaven, you know what I'm saying? I just think it's like you in heaven, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's equal. It ain't no, I'm higher than this. Like, the only person that's higher than us is God, you know what I'm saying? So, other than that, we going to heaven, you know what I'm saying? Light skinned girl sitting down right there in white pants.
Don't ask her what's taking her so long to come to
You thought I wasn't going to do it. How you doing? I'm sorry to interrupt your conversation.
Oh no, I don't think it's wrong.
Nah, I just want to ask you a question.
No, not the podcast. I'm not opening my phone.
For that. My boy over there.
I'm from Shaolin, by the way.
Look. My boy over there.
Looks well.
Word.
My boy over there. He said what's taking you so long to come to him?
He don't come 3 times in my father's bar. I'm the chance of being
You got content.
She said something about 3 times. Like, I don't know. She basically dissed me, my boy. Like, you don't make 3 times more than her dad or her, I don't know, some shit. Yeah, what you gotta say to that?
But you got some content, right?
Definitely. Copyright.
Where we at, cuz?
Where we at, man? We outside, dumb nigga.
Heard.
You wanna know where I'm at?
Heard. Where you at? No, we wanna know where you at. Word.
This is a two-tone crew.
Yeah.
I hate me too.
Yeah. Nigga, we in this bitch. Clip presidential.
Yo, hey look, Mr. Overtime Respect. Follow me at Instagram, clip_presidential. You wanna be presidential, come with the presidents.
Nah,
Try to JFK, join forces with the Kings.
Yes, sir.
Before they JFK.
Yeah, man, we out here, you know what I mean? It's MG.
Active, man, okay, we know fear.
Talk to them. By the corridor. Outside. Be advised.
What's up?
Make sure y'all like and comment and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Your boy. Oh, she got a question for me.
So, a woman's supposed to approach a man and it's the other way around.
So if you want me to approach you,
I didn't know you were trying to get in contact with me. Wait a minute.
My boy over there. You know what I'm saying? Over there. He said what's taking you so long to come to him.
You don't come 3 times in my father's bar chocolate.
A few minutes later.
I didn't know you were trying to get in contact with me.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
what did he
She didn't know what deal. She didn't know what deal. This is wealthy vibes. This is wealthy vibes.
My nigga wealthy vibes.
Wealthy vibes. That's wealthy.
Search him up. Wealthy vibes.
Look him up?
Yeah, he popping. Tell her, man.
No, let's see what's
Let her see. Yeah,
That's the motherfucking mayor of society.
yes, sir. You heard the man.
Check this shit out. He got the flyest pen. He got a penthouse here.
It'd be like the penthouse. You know what I'm saying? Penthouse.
What you got a penthouse? Right, do you have a penthouse?
Help me, nigga.
Penthouse vibe, baby. You know how the penthouse goes.
Second floor, motherfucking penthouse.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, we lit. You know what I'm saying? So, we had that question was for him.
Blue checks get curved too.
Damn, she ruthless. She heartless. God damn, blue checks get curved too. My nigga Jordy in the building, man. Come on. Tap in.
And y'all wait, this year, nigga going up on my mama, nigga, on Granny Watch.
My nigga Jordy in the building, man. Not saying got the biggest artist in our Broward to snap a lot.
You know what time it is, man. I'm outside, man. Fully, man. Niggas inside. That's why I ain't dying, man.
Niggas inside.
Man, versatility out on all platforms.
Y'all already know. Get your
Chosen Family Music Media Lounge. We have a life free, man. My nigga Killer Cam.
Kill it, Cam.
Man, fuck the nigga, man.
Ice Skate in the building. The Zimmern. No face, no case. But yeah, we out there though. Y'all see the vibe? Y'all see what's going on? What's good, my boy? You chilling?
I'm chilling, man. I'm vibing right now, man. This is what you call it. This is the bar right here. Speaking, you know, we had a good party right now. We vibing. Drink a little drink.
Yeah, 4th of July vibe, you know what I'm saying? It's lit. Let's get it. Turn up in this bitch. But we gonna turn up.
Slide. Too much music.
Boy, fuck that right now.
Yo, follow with number now.
No.
Where we going? This way?
Oh no. Wait. Let's go down. Come on, let's see who's down.
Shit, let's go sit down.
Fuck on these niggas.
Go down this bitch though.
Yeah, I can't be down here late and vibing.
What they doing over there? Look, they playing. What they doing? The game probably they don't probably even know how to play. They probably not even playing by the rules.
Jeez. My setup ran up. Shit crazy.
Why Pre right now? Clip_presidential. Why Pre's a good person though? I love Why Pre, bro.
I be trying to put
Why
everybody
Pre
on.
so? Hey, look, Why Pre is the reason why Michael Jackson made the song "Smooth Criminal." Cause I just recently saw an interview with him stumping somebody.
If you can run, you can fight. If you can run, yeah.
Bro, stop kicking.
Yeah, kick it.
But you hear how he talking?
Hey, go watch that story time.
You hear how he talking? Smooth as fuck. That's a smooth criminal.
Listen, bro.
You say first floor or fourth?
Fourth.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But
Go watch that interview.
yeah, go watch that story time.
And I don't just don't invite it, but that move was like unexpected. Cause I'm trying to let y'all know.
Bro, look,
Don't
y'all know me.
underestimate nobody.
Facts. If y'all know me, y'all know that's not me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like he said, don't underestimate nobody. You know what I'm saying?
They don't even know who they underestimate.
You know what I mean? That's why you gotta
That's
be
why the word is brought up.
partial to everybody, nice to everybody, you know what I'm saying? And just be the bigger person sometimes.
When you act off emotion and you're a guy, you acting like a female, to be honest.
Yeah, that's female.
You got a period.
Facts.
Change your tampon.
What you say?
Change your tampon.
Ming. Hi. Hello. Come, give me a hug, come.
I don't know why, yeah, it's wet, really wet. I don't know why you hiding.
How you doing?
Good.
Where you been at?
Working.
Flight attendant?
I've been working.
Where you been flying to? Everywhere?
Everywhere. I've been.
Where have you been that you haven't been? Like, on your own?
Bermuda, Cancun, Punta Cana.
How long it's coming? Like a couple
Oh
hours?
my soul.
Yeah.
2 hours.
I gotta go to food.
Not even get to go outside, John.
I think
I
it's a
do
lot of
get
the
tired.
millions.
Yeah.
Hot though.
Oh, yes, that's 23rd.
Well, I could have sworn we were just on the 23rd, man.
No, 23rd is 14th. We walked down to the 23rd.
Oh, yeah, you right.
It was all linked by me.
It's okay.
Oh, shit.
It's in the
This was
elevator.
in the elevator.
Really?
Gotta make sure you pay for that. Parking. Get a fat ticket. How much did it say? $85.
65.
Copyright.
Watch it.
You started recording? How you? Oh. Y'all know it's Ming the Taurus in this bitch. AKA Ming the Menace in this bitch. Man behind the
On the
camera.
gang, you not there? We out here.
Oh Lord. I decided to take over the box for today. And then we have Mrs. Shay Baby, the official Shay Baby. Yo! Hold my work, I be thinking of it down.
My nigga, I gang up on here, you not there? Gang.
Outside. I want to see how it looks when I put it down.
Goddamn.
That's not it.
I don't know these people. I'm in the ghetto.
Show y'all my Instagram. Oh, that hoe on that bitch. I'll take your dime from you. Now she wanna spend all night with me. First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up. I ain't real shit unless I get my dick sucked. What a shit.
Yeah, right now I'm a fuck up, isn't it? Right now I'm fresh, I'm drunk, yeah, man, everything right now. Hold up. Hold on, we're gonna see who they in that place.
Yo! I'm just joking, but take me out of camera.
I want him to touch. Eric, I'm a friend. You too. She's shy. Easy danger. Dog, they on the phone. Say, baby. Name the jewel. You can't hide your face now when you had a whole session. Like, she had a whole session. She had a whole session. We'll have some thugs in our places, isn't it? You know, some people. But yeah, sir, snap a lot in our building.
No, it's how it is, man. This shit hell crazy. This only the beginning of it too. That's the craziest part about it. You understand what I'm saying? So look, tap in before it's too late.
Tap in before it's too late.
I'm not playing no games. I'm charging arms and legs, family members, all that.
Family members, all that. You know what I'm saying? We got the dogs over here, you know what I'm saying? Tap in with your boy.
Yo, what's good? It's Fame Life, aka Famies. Get your fame easy. I'm out here in the vibes, know what I mean? Make sure you check out the vibes. Fame Life, call me Fame Life everywhere. Level, you know what I mean? Keep it calm, keep the vibe, you know what I mean? Got the store open if you need anything, I'm out here. Brooklyn in the building always.
Yeah, nigga Brooklyn in the building. Who we got over here?
It's your boy Khaled Anderson, repping West Palm Beach. Was originally born in Chicago, Illinois, but anyway, I'm a rapper, producer, and engineer. Come by with your nigga. I'm out of West Palm Beach. If you're in the Palm Beach area, I might pull up on your ass. Just holla at a nigga, man.
Yeah. We got some more niggas in the back, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy Ruben Stratum right here. Producer, rapper, all that good shit. Same name, West Palm Beach, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Just got good music coming out, good things coming out. Just a nice little vibe out here, you know what I'm saying? We sliding, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? West Palm Beach shit.
Hell yeah, West Palm Beach shit. You know what I'm saying? I got my nigga YBH in the building.
Yo, my name is YBH. I'm high as fuck. Let's get money, let's get lit. Come on, tap in, bro.
Yeah, tap in with my nigga, man. Stop playing. You know what I'm saying? Damn. I ain't gonna lie, it's lit out here. You gonna see who else in the building. We out here. Got the gang in the back. Hold on, I got you. Got my nigga Denzel in the building. What's going on, man? I know Denzel. Open mic and shit.
Yo, man, we out here for Lauderdale.
angles and shit. Look at you dropping shit.
That's why I'm not following you on YouTube.
What's the phone at? Is your phone? I'll log it right now.
Everybody follow me on Instagram at the
No, that's bad. That's bad.
Gotcha, bitch.
You got me fucked up. She got me fucked up. How you doing? She don't follow me. She don't follow me. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Y'all know who this is. Y'all know who this is. Yeah.
A baby quicker.
Hey, we add to the party. We don't just, you know what I'm saying?
These clothes take over. Judy. These clothes are better. Don't put that other that long lasting shit. That shit don't last. Take it over the block because we're better.
Two. We don't.
Me.
Throw that shit, baby girl. Throw that shit.
Do it for YSL. I'm coming to get you, babe. I'm coming to get you. I'm on the way. I'm outside. We pulling up. Cause you banging on me. You banging on me on the back. I think I just got to hit back. I think I know. Bitch, delete this shit. Delete that.
I'm not deleting shit. That shit busting. That shit busting. Man, we lit in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the vibe. Where y'all? Oh, the people them don't see view already, brother. View. Where y'all say? Yo, show the people the view. Show the people the view. See view. Them done see view already, bro. A good look still. It's light bright. Light bright. Show the hot tub. It's not a hot tub, it's a pool like that, isn't it? See pool area with the dog so early, isn't it? Yeah man, but we out here, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Roll the 1K, we going up, you know what I'm saying? 4th of July party, it was lit. The boys tap in. Yeah, so right now, Frasso.
Frosty, fuck.
DJ Danger, I smoke. And then man,
Cigarette.
Shay Baby in the cut.
High
You know what I'm saying?
Both cigarettes.
Quiet man. We're still there. We're still there. And we're fresh right now. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Then what just felt? Like I just jumped. But yeah, check out the views. We up.
Just open a black and
You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Y'all see how I'm recording? I'm drunk. But yeah, man, look at it. You know what I'm saying? We still out here. Everybody leaving though. We about to shit.
got tickets,
You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to your boy, Road to 1K. We going up. You know what I'm saying? It's a White Free. We out, man. You know what I'm saying? Gang.